Nasik Phata, Maharashtra's first Tier 2 flyover. The flyover connects Pune-Nashik Highway to Mumbai-Pune Highway. The first multi-layered flyover of district constructed to save time and money. Steel girders of 33 meters span joined together with modern fabrication technique. Supratham. Building New India.